Hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Writing Practices. Today we are going to learn how to write a job character reference letter step by step. What is a job character reference letter? A job character reference letter is a written endorsement provided by an individual, typically a former employer, colleague, or professional mentor, attesting to a job applicant's character, work ethic, and professional abilities. This letter is used to support a candidate's job application, providing insight into their personal qualities and suitability for a specific role or organization. Here Writing Practices will show you how to write a job character reference letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write your full name. Under it, write your job position or occupation in the company. In this case as Senior Project Manager. And then write your company or organization name. After that, write your organization address. When you do it, don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And now, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. For the next now, you need to write down the information about the recipient. You need to write their full name. But, if you have no idea, you can simply write, hiring manager. Under it, write the company name of the recipient. In this case is XYZ Solutions Incorporate. And write the address of the letter. And again, don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Once you completed this information, you may open the letter with a salutation. You may write, "To whom it may concern," or "Dear Sir or Madam," if you don't know their name. In the first paragraph, this is an introduction. As you see, the writer here introduces himself, who is John Smith. And the writer states the purpose of the letter. Yes, the purpose is to provide a character reference for someone, who is Sarah Johnson. Here is the example. I am writing to provide a character reference for Sarah Johnson, who has applied for a position at your esteemed company. After that, you need to mention the duration of their professional relationship. And you can write it this way. I have had the pleasure of working with her for 3 years at ABC Corporation. And I am confident that she would be a valuable asset to your team. Of course, mentioning the name of the company is also necessary. In the second paragraph, this is where you give your testimony of professional skills of the person you recommend. Just like the sample, the writer here highlights Sarah's strong work ethic, reliability, and commitment to excellence. Sure, you can do the same. Here is the example. During our time working together, Sarah consistently demonstrated strong work ethics, reliability, and a commitment to excellence. Not only that, you need to also detail their interpersonal skills and teamwork abilities, with specific examples. You need to sound convincing if you truly want to recommend the applicant. For example, you may write something like, "She possesses excellent interpersonal skills, effectively collaborating with colleagues, and contributing positively to team dynamics." Yes, giving an example of how the applicant's character traits in the workplace is necessary. You may write one or more. Here is the example. One notable example is when she took the lead on a critical project, coordinating the efforts of cross-functional teams and ensuring its successful completion. In the third paragraph, write illustration of specific achievements of the applicant. If you see, the writer discusses Sarah's role in leading projects and her problem-solving abilities. Sure, you can only mention all the good character traits. And here is how you write it. In addition to her technical skills, Sarah is known for her ability to handle challenging situations with grace and a positive attitude. Explain more about it. Note the applicant's involvement in implementing new systems, underlining his or her dedication to goals. You may follow this example. She played a key role in the implementation of a new project management system, showcasing her problem-solving abilities and dedication to achieving goals. Sure, you can modify these based on the character traits of the person you recommend. In the fourth paragraph, this is where you talk about endorsement of candidate. If you see, the writer expresses his belief in Sarah's value to the prospective company. And you can do the same for your person. This is how you write it. I believe that Sarah Johnson would bring valuable expertise and a strong work ethic to your company. After that, recommend also the applicant, for her or his qualifications and positive workplace demeanor. If you don't know what to write, you may copy this sample. She is not only well qualified for the position, but is also a pleasure to work with. In the 5th paragraph, this is the section where you offer further discussion. Offers to provide additional information or discuss the qualifications of the person you recommend. And in doing so, you must include your contact information for follow-up. They can be phone number and email address. Here is the example. If you have any further questions or require additional information, please feel free to contact me at 555-456-7890 or john.smith@email.com. After giving your contact information, now you can give a closing endorsement. Restates support for the application. In doing so, the writer here emphasizes confidence in Sarah's potential contribution to the team. And here you may follow the sample. I am more than willing to discuss Sarah Johnson's qualifications and provide any further insight into her character and abilities. And in the last paragraph, show your gratitude for the recipient. Thank the recipient for their time and consideration. This is a must in every formal letter. And here is the example. Thank you for considering my recommendation. I am confident that Sarah Johnson would be a valuable addition to your team. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. Write also your job position in the company, and your company or organization name. So, that's how you write a job character reference letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.